fast for the boss. Where are your in-store experiences falling short? Clearly, customers are shopping online the majority of the time now. We want to make sure that when they're in store, they're getting everything that they need, and it's easy. iPads for retail is a solution we've come up with. We're working with a partner called Rose Displays. It's the nation's largest retail manufacturer of display units. We've come up with a whole line. It stands for iPads that allow you to choose how you want it mounted in store and how the customer can get all the information without having to leave. But the logistics of testing an iPads for retail application are kind of daunting. We've actually thought it all through and have a very simple plan for you. If we start with the who, the what, the where, the when, and the how of a program. Who? First of all, who are you trying to target? What's the client? Is it an end user? What's their mindset, their age, their demographic? What issues are they dealing with? We choose what's appropriate, help you plan that out. Next, what? Is it a product that you're trying to promote? What kind of action are you trying to get them to take? What content do you want on the program? What kind of revenue are you trying to generate? Is it sales-based? Choose the appropriate items there. Build the full program for you. Next, considering where, what part of the stores, what surfaces do you want to use it on, how is it interface with security, does the power source have a non-stop, how is the staff going to get trained. Next, you got to choose the how it's going to be managed on an ongoing basis, who's doing the settings and the loading. When? Is this an ongoing web application? Is it a test pilot program? When is it going to launch? Is it seasonal? Is it based around an event? Once all that is chosen, then we have the right items in place for beginning a program. For true value, we've actually come up with a term we thought would be appropriate. We call it a customer choice center. A customer would come into the store, they would probably see a screen like this unless nobody was at it for a while, in which case they would see perhaps a co-funded ad that's on there. These are animated. Once you're back, the customer has chosen an offer or not, then they're back to the main screen where they have, in this case, a series of interfaces like checking their rewards points. They could sign up for an email for future communications and promotions from us. They can, looking for product specific. So they're in the store already, they're looking for something, and not a sales associate might not be right handy, and therefore we have a full shopping list, and this thing could generate an automatic QR code they could scan with their phone and get a shopping list right then and there. Watch videos for how-tos, demos of the already existing content that you probably have, could be repurposed. A logical spot for it is here on the iPads. And then, of course, access to the website. So at the website, they can go a little bit further if there's not an associate around, or they want to see some of the great demos you already have developed. Living on this web app is a natural spot for it.